Welcome back to another installment of Crazy Car Repairs. When last we saw the twin-turbo Porsche, the starter was changed, and thanks to the great engineers at Porsche, I had to take the whole top part of the engine apart to do that. Just before the starter went out, the engine was having stutters or hesitations when full power was applied. I ordered a Durametric diagnostic tool from Pelican Parts to try and find the problem. Well, I found a bunch of info online about the Air Oil Separator causing this behavior. So I ordered the repair kit from Amazon, as Pelican doesn't sell just the cap part, after ordering the Durametric. I'm pretty sure this will fix the hesitation. At least I can use the Durametric to fix the air conditioning later this summer. Alright, first pop off the front cover by pulling straight up on the corners. You can see that my AOS cap is loose. See the tabs around it? Those have to pop off all the way around. It's on there pretty tight, but using a slim but strong flathead screwdriver, pry around the bottom. I took the breather hose off to facilitate the task. Just squeeze the tabs on that and pull it off. The repair kit I bought has the cap included, so I wasn't as careful as I would have been if I'd just bought the diaphragm part. It might take you a few minutes of prying to get it to pop off. Let's fast forward a bit. There it goes. Here's the problem. Hopefully this is the only thing causing the hesitations. If you get just the diaphragm part, you need to pull the puck off of the original one and put the new diaphragm back on that. Mine came with it all together. I like to clean everything off when I work, so I cleaned some of the oil grunge out of there. Here's the new replacement kit ready to go in. Put the spring on, then make sure the tab on the cap is in the right spot. Line up the holes and tap it on. You can see this one is nice and snug. Put the breather hose back on, and then replace the front cover. Not too hard of a job. Subscribe to my channel if you like this video, or if you didn't like the video, just subscribe. Let's get over 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching, and check out my other videos. There's a bunch of stuff in there that you might be interested in.